This is Akshata welcoming you all to our third and last video on road safety. Previously, we talked about various reasons hindering the safety of people while driving. We had also given some solution to overcome these problems. Now, coming to our present video, we are going to sum up the previous two videos and providing a brief, feasible, and more understandable solution that we could with the help of prototype and storytelling. I hope this video will be of great help. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you like it, don't forget to like and comment. So, without wasting any time, let's jump into the video.
So, hello everyone, I'm Aman and I'm gonna tell you a fictional story. So, let's begin. Racing, the feeling of getting ahead of everyone, the feeling of superiority inside our own self. Who doesn't like that, right? Well, these things are exactly which comes to our mind while driving, especially in youngsters. But is it worth it? Let me tell you a story regarding an incident which changed lives in exchange of some fun. It all began when a group of friends planned a vacation together. They wanted to have some interesting adventure as we all want. Well, the journey began, they all took everything they needed and hopped into the car and were ready to go. Everything was going smoothly and full of fun. Loud music, snacks, and all goofiness. Until they met another group of friends traveling the same road. They mocked one of their friends for driving slowly in an empty highway, which was the trigger when everything started to go worse. They began racing, the speedometer jumped from 50 to 80 to 100 plus within seconds. All were fully enthusiastic, but then the worst happened and he lost control because of overspeeding and bashed into a truck. The person who was driving died on the spot. His friend beside him, who was sitting in front, was also severely injured, later admitted to ICU and later went to coma. And the others also had many injuries, broken bones, dislocated shoulders, broken jaw, and many more. Was that race worth it? Was that overspeeding worth it? No, not at all. The injuries might heal, but the mental trauma and the memories of the accident will remain inside them till death.
To avoid such terrible accidents, we have developed some software with AI. In order to control the rash driving, we have come up with some solutions. Nowadays, in every vehicle, GPS is there, which enable the driver to find location. Hence, by adding AI in it would be helpful for controlling rash driving. As in every road, the government has specified certain speed limit and road signs, and then if that speed limit and road signs would be added in the GPS of the vehicle, which we have AI built in, can control the speed of vehicle according to the location. But if in case an emergency occurs, then there we have added a feature like when the driver turn on the emergency light of the vehicle, the AI would automatically identify that the driver is in emergency, so AI will accordingly turn on manual mode. We have a wider scope of reducing accidents using AI. With AI, we can also help in accidents caused due to dizziness and sleepiness and bad weather conditions. We have implemented AI which is linked with the camera in front of driver and system of the vehicles. It will monitor the driver's activity whether he is sleepy or not. For bad weather conditions, we have installed AI in the pre-installed screens of the vehicles which will detect the weather in the route and hence will avoid the vehicle from skid or fall off.
So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, then share it with your friends. And one more thing. As we know we are still suffering from the global COVID pandemic, I request you all to please get vaccinated as soon as possible and also encourage your friends and family to do the same. The faster we can vaccinate, the sooner we get to meet each other and the quicker we can end the pandemic. Stay home, stay safe.